Oh, frick. Hey guys. I should never actually put up my media like a little bit.
Oh god, what are you gonna do now?
Today we're gonna be playing games from my past. That games I used to play when I was like smaller and like made me
So you
a little bit
like
more.
Rockstar?
I was thinking about it, but I was like, no. Okay, this game. I actually play this game a little bit because I love it still, but like that's a little bit around handle.
What game?
It's called Catbird. Go away from me.
Okay.
Anyway, yeah, you tap and hold and fly. It's actually really fun. Like, I'm probably gonna, yeah, I should probably lower it. I don't know if it's good or not, we're gonna see a video after, but like, I love this game. I just love how, like, the pixels, but it's like still like fluid. It's like really cool and interesting, and of course there's oh, it's Sky. I kind of want to return to Sky. It was a really cool game. Okay, I could not fly that long.
You can say that again.
Oh, wait, no. I forgot how Sky works. I kind of want to go back to Sky. I'm installing it.
Oh yeah, I like that game.
Should probably play
I
the...
showed you that game.
No, you did not. You did not. You did
Oh yeah,
not.
you saw it in the app something.
Yeah, why do you keep saying, like, yeah, I showed you that
I
game?
forgot. But I did show some of the games that I said.
You did not. Okay, wait. Why was I level 3? Oh my god, I'm turning off my Wi-Fi. Screw this. Friggin', this is annoying.
Soul Knight Samuel.
Not really. You showed me it. I said no, whatever. Then I saw, oh, is there a co-op? Then you looked for it, then you found co-op, and then we played together.
Wow.
Because I was on level 4.
Oh yeah, you deleted that game.
No, I didn't. Like, I did, but like, not anymore.
I think I did.
Well, that's good for you. Oh, wait. Well, I guess I just speedrun it. I remember for the longest time I thought you had to push it in the... Where is that? I guess milk? Or lava?
Milk?
I mean, it's white and it works like kind of like lava, I guess. Or he just can't swim. Okay, run, move, move, move. Okay, move, 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 move. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Oh my god, I was close. Okay, I think...
Why are you so scared?
Bro, you would have to beat her just to know.
Yeah, but I don't, cause you told me to go away.
Yes. Anyway. Wait, so, wait. So is there nothing up there? Oh, wait, no, there is. Did I miss last time? Nah. Okay, keep going. Keep going. And we did it. Okay. Next we have... Oh, Jesus. Next we have... This. I'm God. Jesus. Jesus. Jesus Christ? Oh my god, Jesus. Here we go. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my lord. Okay, you know what? Come. Come to me. Okay, I guess you don't want to watch and play.
I do.
Well, then come, Jesus. Oh my god. Whew. These crowns are dangerous. Okay. Oh my god. Here comes the hard part.
What the heck is that game?
Catbird. Okay. Come on, go, 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 go.
Catbird?
Yeah, this is a catbird. Or she. We don't know. Okay, here we go. Oh, I remember. These were annoying.
Like you do to almost everything.
Oh! 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 Okay, this is scary. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god! Okay, that was horrifying. Okay, next one. Oh, I remember this level. This level was so annoying. I hate this. Okay, okay. Jump. Let me go jump, 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 jump. Okay. Oh, wait. I was supposed to... Oh, frick, dang it. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. This is so hard. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, Jesus. I'm gonna have to go through... And that was the easy part. Uh-huh.
Can you not whine?
No, are you playing?
That's true.
Shut up. Oh, I was. I'm sorry. Oh my god. Now I have to do it all over again. Oh, this is so annoying. Okay, go, go. Oh, okay, okay. Sorry if I make a lot of weird. Sally, Sally, if I make a lot of weird noises. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Oh Jesus. Oh my god. My heart is racing. Are you This is just gonna be the rest of the video. I swear. 20 minutes. 20 minutes of this. I swear to God to you. Oh my god. So how's your guys' time going? Okay, I'm not gonna do that again. Okay, how's your time going with the quarantine stuff? Cause ER is going okay, I guess. Not really, but like, it's going okay. Okay. I will get this stupid crown. It's the last thing I do. Go, go, go. Now I have to go back again, please. Please. Why is this so hard? Okay, I got this. Okay, fly. Go down, go down, go down, go down. Go down, go down, go down, go down. See, that was easy. Why does it take so long? Oh, these. I will now step on you, even though I don't need to. Okay, so it's like a puzzle game. You guys should really get this game. It's really fun. Jump, 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 jump. I do kind of wish to jump bounce you a little higher. It'd be more fun. Eh,
Yes.
got it. Yes, okay. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, those things run against attack you. So I'm guessing. So I'm guessing those are either like natives or guards. Because if they're guards, I guess we're not supposed to be here, which we weren't. Oh yeah, I guess you guys missed a cutscene. Apparently, yeah, we were just chilling on our own island, but then we kind of got like sent somewhere else by accident. I forgot how. I think it was like a meteor or something, and then we got sent somewhere else or something. It was really weird. Run, run, fool! Oh, why did I do that the first time I played? Oh, because you still have to go up. Oh, that's why. Oh! No, I'm a Buphobian. Okay. I got this. I got this. Watch me.
Yeah, right.
Oh my god, he missed. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, little buddy. We got this. Okay. Why am I going back this way? Run! Yes! Okay, next level. Sorry for the lack of talking. I am really concentrating because I am suck at games. Come on. Oh my god. Here we go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No! I guess I should fly first and then go, but like... Oh, I can go... Well, I now remember how I beat this. Come on. Oh, come on. This... Okay, this one is literally just unfair. Okay. Oh my god. Are you for real? Oh my god. Oh my god. This one is so unfair. What am I supposed to do? There's a time limit on everything. I have to be quick and precise. I can only be so precise. How am I supposed to make it past that? Like, actually. How did I even beat this? Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Fly back.
Egg.
What? What? Oh my god. Are you for real? Are you for real? What even changed for me to actually have made that? I literally do the same thing over and over again and things change, but it doesn't make sense. I don't even know what's happening. Okay, whatever, I made it anyway. Oh, wait, I forgot a level name. So what's this name? Oh, it's a long way. Great. Oh, Jesus. Here we go. Frick. Fall down, sucker. He fell down because he's a sucker. Oh, now this stupid buzzsaw. I hate this thing. This thing is not fun. It's like a Ferris wheel, but less the fun. But do you guys even like Ferris wheels? Be honest. I don't see the point in them. I mean, I guess they have like a nice view or something. Oh, we have to drop this box on the button. Not the button! I love Shrek 2, man. Even I'm pretty sure that's from Shrek 1. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. No! Sorry for the scream. I'm really sorry. But like that like hurt my soul. I swear to god, this game does not care for your soul. And I love it. This is like the Cuphead, but like without the pay. Yes, I was still poor. I'm poor. I can't get Cuphead. I don't have $1 to my name. I'm gonna go. My anxiety went up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, great checkpoints. Meaning that I'm probably gonna die. What the hell are those things? They are ugly. Well, I just woke up and chose violence, I guess. Okay. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Eh. Come on, just give me it. Okay. We have to get back. Oh no! Ah! Frick. I remember that being so easy last time I played. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Jesus, no! I am getting that. My soul is leaving my body.
What do you say?
My soul is leaving my body.
That's good.
Oh my god. No.
You keep cutting me off every time I try to say something.
Cause the game is taking my soul. Okay, I'm going to start jumping. Why did I ever think of that before? I didn't think I could. Oh my god, I am so mad at myself right now.
Yeah, okay.
I finally beat it, of course.
Good
Okay.
job.
The Crusher.
I wonder when we have to wear our shoes.
Uh-oh. A boss. Oh yeah, this boss is easy. This boss is easy. I die immediately.
Were you better at gaming before? Wow.
Nice.
That's what you call a boss?
It's the first boss.
Isn't even a...
I've been realizing there's a lot of grass growing for
It's
some
literally
reason.
just an object. Just a twomp.
Uh-oh. Run, buddy. Fly? Uh-oh. Well, we're off that planet now.
I am almost done with this.
And we're on a grassy cat planet. Interesting.
Cat looks like the cat kind of looks like it has a beard.
I guess. It's more like a mane, honestly.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay, I think this is where I'm gonna end this episode, and maybe I'll continue next time.
Probably.
Yeah,
And by
probably.
that you mean...
And of course, it ends with me dying.
And by that